Dear girls, stop apologizing and blaming yourself even though you did nothing wrong. Stop crying every day for someone who don't care about you or how you feel. The guy hurt you. He played you and broke your heart into pieces and you still cry for him? No, baby girl. Don't allow him the satisfaction of seeing you suffer. Don't prove him right that you are nothing without him when you are actually something way much more better without him. I know it is not easy to let go of someone you love so much, but if loving them only bring you tears and pain, then why settle? I mean, you still have a lot to offer to someone who deserves it all, and you are still unique and beautiful. Nothing has really changed about you. I hate it when a girl is going through shit because of a boy who is not willing to grow up. And I am not sure if a girl reading or listening this agrees with me, but I hope you agree with me, baby. Sweetheart, from today, I just want you to know that you deserve better. And you don't even need a guy to realize that you are worthy of it.